Thanks for sharing information about some of the most powerful and potentially dangerous dogs in the world. It is important to note that a dog's behavior depends largely on its upbringing, its environment, and how it is treated by its owners. It is always recommended to adopt responsible breeding practices, socialize dogs from a young age, and train them in a positive manner to ensure they are well-rounded members of society. If you have any specific questions about dogs or other topics, don't hesitate to ask. It seems that you shared a text in French regarding different breeds of dogs and certain stereotypes associated with their behavior. The text covers breeds such as the Alaskan Malamute, Doberman, Bulldog, Great Dane, Patu, Fila, Brasileiro, Boxer, and Pit Bull. The main idea of the text is that the aggressive behavior of a dog largely depends on its education and training, and that each breed has its own characteristics that require a specific approach to education. If you have any specific questions about dogs or would like to discuss certain aspects of the text further, please do so.